Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Danny and I'm back with my daughter.
Hello.
And we are here to do a quick unboxing of the Godox V100 flash. Alright, so here it is. This is the Godox V100. This is a 100-watt on-camera flash. Obviously, I have an X3 trigger, so I can use this off-camera if I choose to. Currently, I am using a Godox V860 3, and I believe it's like somewhere between 55 and 70 watts. So this is a lot stronger, and plus, if you look on the box right here, it actually has an additional flash, so if you're bouncing light off of the ceiling, you can also get some fill light with the attachment, and it is an attachment, so you can remove it if you want to. So you have the option of either leaving it on while you bounce flash or taking it off. So yeah, pretty much Alright, so here are the instructions. Here is the flash stand or adapter where it attaches through a cold shoe, so if you want to stand the flash up, you can. But what's so special about the V100, and I think all of Godox's new flashes, is now they're coming with compatible Type-C charging ports to where you can just connect it to any Type-C cable. Anybody who has any of the older Godox flashes, you know that it pretty much has a charging adapter that you have to put the battery in and then plug it into the wall, and evidently sometimes that can be just very inconvenient. So it's nice that it actually comes with the option of being able to charge it with any Type-C cable. And then here is the actual pouch. The other flash, it looks like they kind of redesigned the bag. Looks a little more nicer, more pleasing to the eye. But here's the flash. I would say it's a pretty light flash. It doesn't feel like it's heavy at all. But obviously that's without the battery, so it would add a bit more weight to it. I believe the flash with the battery in is around like 633 grams or something like that. But yeah. So again, it's got the round head. This right here is magnetic, so you have the option to mount any of the Godox accessories via magnet, which is convenient. So, but yeah, this is it, the Godox V100.